Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I came from my science exam, then I made some Maggie, then I ate it, then I went to study at 8 baje, really late, but okay. Then I started studying maths chapter 8 and it's my last second exam. After that I have exam of Sanskrit and then my exam will be over of class 10.
Goodbye.